Hey, Rain Nation, I'm Jen Josey, and welcome back to the Real Estate Investor Growth Network channel, where we help you grow as an investor. Today, we are diving into a topic I am super passionate about, the feminine edge, why women excel in real estate investing. Ladies and gents, if you've ever wondered what gives women a unique advantage in this industry, you're in the right place. But we're breaking it all down today, so let's jump in. Reason number one, emotional intelligence. Women are natural relationship builders, which is a huge asset in real estate investing. Whether you're negotiating with sellers, working with contractors, or managing tenants, the ability to connect on a deeper level can make all the difference. People do business with those they trust, and emotional intelligence helps you build that trust quickly. Reason number two, calculated risk taking. Studies show that women are more likely to weigh options carefully and take calculated risks. In real estate, this means doing your due diligence, running the numbers, and making smart, informed decisions. This thoughtful approach can lead to more profitable deals and fewer costly mistakes. So take those risks, but do it with confidence and preparation. Reason number three, multitasking like a boss. Ladies, let's be real. We've been juggling responsibilities forever, and real estate is no exception. Managing multiple projects, timelines, and budgets, we've got this. The ability to stay organized and handle it all with grace is a superpower that can help you thrive in this business. Reason number four, attention to detail and thoughtful spaces. This is where women truly shine. We have an eye for details that others might overlook. And in real estate, those details matter. From ensuring that everything is perfect in a rehab project to creating spaces that feel welcoming and functional, women bring that unique touch. For example, adding extra storage in kitchens or creating versatile spaces in smaller homes can make a property stand out to buyers or tenants. These thoughtful decisions often give us an edge over the competition. Reason number five, resilience. Real estate investing isn't always smooth sailing. Deals fall through, contractors ghost you, and unexpected surprises pop up. But women have an incredible ability to adapt and bounce back from challenges. Resilience is often what keeps you moving forward, even when things get tough. Remember, every setback is just a setup for your next comeback. Reason number six, collaboration over competition. Women tend to focus on building each other up rather than tearing each other down. In real estate, this mindset creates opportunities for partnerships, mentorships, and support systems to help everybody win. When women collaborate, amazing things happen. Don't be afraid to reach out, connect, and grow together. So, there you have it, the feminine edge, why women excel in real estate investing. Emotional intelligence, calculated risk-taking, multitasking, attention to detail, resilience, and collaboration. These are just a few of the reasons why women are crushing it in this industry. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with which of these traits you see as your biggest strength. Let's celebrate each other, Rain Nation. And if you are ready to connect with a community of badass investors who are making waves in real estate, come join us at RAIN, the Real Estate Investor Growth Network. Visit rainmastermind.com to learn more and take your real estate journey to the next level. Until next time, Rain Nation, now go out there and share your badassery. And don't forget, make it a great day. Take care. Bye-bye. Woo-hoo!